Hey guys, Jenny here with Isa and welcome to my home workout series. For today's video, we're going to be doing a full home glute workout that you can follow along. I'm going to show you the things that you need to get started. So you're going to need a jump rope. You're going to need 2 glute bands. One like this, it has strength, a high resistance band, and another glute band that's a little bit more flexible like this one. And you're also going to need some resistance bands like these, your weight trainer, your water, and some good music. So let's get started. Alright guys, so let's get started. We're going to start up with warming up our body. So we're going to be doing some jump rope and we're going to do 50 reps of the jump rope. So let's count 50. And then we're going to go into one of my favorites, and that is the high resistant band squat. And we're going to be doing 50 reps of these, 3 sets, and make sure that when you go up you squeeze those glutes because you want to get that nice tone bottom. So keep going guys, you got this. Now we're going to jump into the band step back. Guys, these are killers. At first you're going to be like, what is this? But I promise you, these glute workouts are going to just burn. So you want to place the band. This is going to be the flexible band, okay? And we're going to just step back. Continue to step back. Try to maintain a low position. I promise you, these are going to burn so bad. They're going to feel so good. You're going to thank me later. Continue with the same band. We're going to be doing side squats. Also, again, remember to squeeze those glutes when you're up. So when you go down, up and squeeze. We all want that nice round bottom, right? So these glute home workouts, you guys, I promise you, you're gonna love them. And you're also going to hate me because you're going to be sore in the morning. So now we're going to modify the deadlift. I'm using these pretty cool bands that I'll make sure to link down below so you guys can get the whole package of these bands. So since we are not at the gym and we don't have the weights to properly do the deadlifts, these bands will do the job. So you want to go down and then up and squeeze. Down and then up and squeeze those glutes. Promise you, you guys will feel these, I promise. So go down and then squeeze the top. Once we're done with all of our reps, we are going to do some more jump ropes, and we're going to do 50 reps in between each set. We just have to continue to keep our heart pumping. Once we're done with all of our sets, we can go ahead and end it with this stretching. We've got to stretch our legs. I'm having a little bit of trouble keeping my balance. But yeah, we want to go ahead and stretch before we end our workout. Thank you so much for working out with me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching and following along this glute home workout. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you guys get notified again, so you guys can work out with me in the next couple of days and follow me on my fitness journey.